Hello, how's it going? Today I'm going to talk about the innovative language app. It's a powerful language learning tool. There are so many characteristics to this app, I'm going to mention just a few. It's free to download on iOS and Android. There are 34 languages available, different levels starting from absolute beginner to advanced learner. You can access hundreds of fun and effective audio and video lessons, PDF transcripts of audio lessons available to download, real lessons from real teachers. Perfect your pronunciation with line-by-line audio. Learn offline by downloading lessons to any device. Stay motivated as you watch your fluency grow on your progress tracking dashboard. Stay up to date with instant notifications of new lessons. Keep track of new vocabulary in your word bank. Cultural insight on each topic. We're going to go into details throughout the video. The interface is very simple, with only 4 buttons. Browse lessons, newest lessons, my library, my teacher, also switch language. And you can choose from the 34 other languages. Let's start with my teacher, which is unfortunately a Premium Plus subscription upgrade. Moving on to browse lessons, which is the most important. You have 3 categories: audio, video, and newest lessons. These are the newest lessons that are added daily or every other day. They are different in level and they can be either an audio or a video lesson. The audio and video lessons are divided into 4 levels: absolute beginner, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and bonus lessons. For the sake of the video, I'm going to go with the absolute beginner level, Survival Phrases Season 1. As you can see, for each lesson, there are up to 50 topics. There are blue arrows on the right. This indicates that this topic is available offline. And the green check on the left indicate that I completed this topic. In each topic, we have 8 items: lesson audio, review, vocabulary, line-by-line audio, expansion, lesson notes, lesson transcript, and report a problem, but we don't have any problems, so just ignore that. The lesson audio, which is the most important. It talks about the lesson in depth, as you can hear.
You'll be surprised at how far a little language will go. Now, even if you can't understand everything, at least try to follow the phrases when we go over them slowly.
You can also speed the audio from here.
Before we jump in, remember to stop by EnglishClass101.com, and there you will find the accompanying PDF and additional information in the post. If you stop by, be sure to leave us a comment.
The review audio makes sure that you understand the lesson, and it's like a revision.
Pronunciation. We'll give you the word, and then we'll give you a couple of seconds to repeat it. Are you ready? How many people in your party? How many people in your party?
The vocabulary shows you the most important words or phrases mentioned in the lesson audio, with definition or meaning, as well as the audio.
How many?
People.
Party. 3.
1.
You can also add 1 vocabulary word to your word bank, or you can add them all. And you can find them here. Word bank. And then you have your different labels. Then you have the line-by-line audio, which is a repetition of the phrases that are mentioned in the lesson audio. This is amazing to perfect your pronunciation.
How many people in your party? 3 people. For 1.
Then expansion, which is again an audio of the vocabulary and its definition, as well as some meanings.
How many? What number? How many people are you expecting? How many clients does that lawyer have?
Moving on to lesson notes, which is a PDF file with the most important notes on this lesson. showing the vocabulary, sample sentences, grammar, and most importantly, cultural insights. They vary from topic to topic and language to language. And lastly, the transcript of the lesson audio. You can improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills all at the same time. And after looking at all the items in the topic, you can mark your progress, like so. And after looking at all the items in your topic, you can mark your progress as so. And then you can move to the next topic. Be motivated to finish all of the levels, also the bonus lessons. Don't forget to check the video lessons and the newest lessons. I would recommend you to add words to your word bank to check them whenever you want. I hope this video was interesting, informative, and easy to follow. I wish you all the best with your learning journey. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching.